Hi everyone! We're here again para ipagpatuloy ang aming Day 1 Spring Break. As you can see, settled na. Hindi na kami nakapag-record kung paano sineta pang tent, ang mga picnic areas, yung tables and chairs. But we just wanted to see and show you guys our nesting place for 3 days and 2 nights. So, maganda yung aming spot na nakuha. We're in between of the trees, yung malalaking trees. And meron na siyang outlet for water hose. Meron din siyang electricity connections. And malapit kami sa restroom. So, which is advantage yun, as I've said on my earlier video. Yan. So, napakatahimik. We have some neighbors. And we drive around para makita yung lugar. And marami rin talagang nakapag-book that time because it's a season for spring break to go outdoors. Kaya yan. And sabi nga namin, malapit na mag-sunset. Kaya we have to bring the kids to the river para makita rin nila ang sunset. So this is like driving around sa camping area, and eto na ang ilog. Ang mga batang nasa tabing ilog. So tuwan-tuwa sina madam, si ate, and ang aming mga kaibigan. They're the one na nag-invite sa amin para ma-experience ito. Sunset and the river at the same time. Diba? Very relaxing. Although medyo malamig ang tubig, but it's tolerable, kaya nag-enjoy din. So, kasama na ang pag-enjoy, pagtatampisaw, and then later, mag-shower sila, and then get ready for dinner, and relaxing na kami sa camp. So, ayan guys.
Are you okay, JD?
Talagang napakalinaw po ng tubig.
Careful ate.
Maganda rin yung formation, mga rock formations ng ilog na yan. Very relaxing. And by that time, si Doc Javi ang nakapag-record nito dahil bantay kami kay Kuya Lancy at kay Kuya Paul. So, all dads and the girls are the one who experience it first. So, napaka
You're good, JD?
And sabi nga ni Madam, you should try it, mom. It's very nice. So, ayan po. I-share namin ang ilang mga pictures na kinuhanan nila during that time. And maagang nakatulog ang mga kids. And we had a great night, a good dinner, spending with our dear friends. What a relaxing night to spend it with them. Lots of laughters and maraming kwento about our kids during our first day and night. Thank you so much guys for all your support, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye.